Alright, so the gardens are done. So basically I started off with a 8x8 sandbox, an old sandbox. That's all that I had. So what I did is I dug it all out, dug all the sand out, and I used landscape timbers, 3 of them, and created a pathway, so that I could walk through and get to everything, because an 8x8 with no access is kind of hard to get to. So I did that, and then I created, I'll step back a little bit, created like a cross. You can see the whole thing, but I used all landscape timbers. The 2 outside boxes, I went 5 rows high, that one and that one. The 2 front and back ones, I did 3 high. And like I said, they're just a simple cross stitch pattern. Very simple to make. If you do it right, you can do it pretty affordable. Here in Indiana, you can get garden soil for around $45 a scoop if you have a pickup truck. It took 6 truck beds to do all of this, so quite a bit of soil. But it's going to be worth it. I've got a few peppers going. That's going to be a strawberry patch. That's all tomatoes. This is going to be a whole pepper garden. There's a bunch of them sown. This is a melon. It's got watermelons, cucumbers, some cantaloupe, stuff like that. This is corn and beans. This one, what the hell do I have in this one? Lettuce, the leaf, leafy stuff. That's going to be what this one's going to be. I do have a blackberry, a blueberry, and a raspberry, I think. They're in pots right now. But as you can see, I got pretty fancy. You don't have to do it like this. I mulched it all in and made it a thing, because that's kind of just what I do. But this will be enough food for me and my family. And one thing I can recommend when you're doing gardening is don't wear gloves. Get your hands in the dirt. It's healthy for you. Get in contact with the ground and getting dirty. It's worth it. Also, as I layer my soil, I use this stuff. It's really good. It feeds for like 6 months. It breaks down real slow. I'll put a layer, and then I'll sprinkle this, and then I'll do another layer, and just keep doing that as I layer the soil. Also, if you want to save money, you can do the bed half and half with garden soil and a good topsoil, and just mix it all up. You can get topsoil for about half of what you can garden soil. So it's up to you. It just depends on how elaborate you want to go. But this is my new project, and I have nicknamed it B-Dub Manor. That's what it's called. We're gonna get some chickens and some goats. We just redid the swing set, made it look nice and pretty for the girls. But I hope that helps you get motivated to grow your own stuff. Have a good one.